Tēnā koutou e te iwi whānui. Today in the kaiuta we are making a hybrid slice. He keke papatahi momorua tēnei. And so we take the chocolate brownie and a cookie and we unite them together and it creates a brookie. It's so much fun and so delicious. And we're going to send this off to the Ranginui Charlton Whānau, who were nominated by their dear friend Laura, who told me this whānau is in need of some aroha. And so let us create some brookie and send it off to Kiri Roa. Okay, so a brookie can come in all different forms, but mine starts with a super simple cookie base, and then we pop it with some tiakarete parodi, some dark chocolate, and pata aramona, some almond butter. Nō reira, koe nei ngā kai, ka whakamahia e tātou. Here are the ingredients you need.
Kia kotahi rau rua te kau karamu pata ku tere tere, 120 grams of softened butter. Kia haurua kapu huka one, half a cup of caster sugar. Kia haurua kokoiti tote, half a teaspoon of salt. Kia kotahi kokoiti wanira, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Kia kotahi me te Whākapu poe huparawa, 1 1/4 cup of flour. Kia haurua kokoiti pēkana powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Kia waru te kau karamu tiakarete parori, 80 grams of dark chocolate. Kia hau Whākapupata aramona, 1/4 cup of almond butter. Me mahi pihi ke te tātou e hoa mā. Let's make some biscuit dough. Add to your bowl your pata ku tere tere and your huka one with your tote and wanira. Smush it on down. I've used the smallest bowl ever. Tāwhiu whiua, whip it until it is light and fluffy. This will take you around 5 minutes. Looking fabulous. Add your poe huparawa and your pēkana powder into your mixture. Whakaranu here, mix it to combine. This takes a little bit of smushing action like so. And now we set aside half a cup of our biscuit dough for our topping for later. And now into our 23 square centimetre cake tin, we press in our base and smush it on down really hard, and then add your pata aramona in little blobs all over top of this dough, and then in between add your tiakarete parodi. Ko te wā tunu kai. It's time to bake it. Into the oven it goes. And we are baking this for 20 minutes at 170 degrees. It is smelling so good in here. So that is our base. It is all finished. The uki part of the brookie is all done, and now we move on to the brownie. So we're just going to make a simple brownie, and then we're going to top it with lots of delicious texture and flavour. Let's go. Kia kotahi rau karamu tiakarete parori kua tapahia, 100 grams of chopped dark chocolate. Kia waru te kau karamu pata, 80 grams of butter. Kia haurua kokoiti tote, half a teaspoon of salt. Kia rua hiki, 2 eggs. Kia haurua kapu huka one, half a cup of caster sugar. Kia kotahi kokoiti wanira, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Kia hautoru kapu kōkō, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa. Kia haurua kapu poe huparawa whakatipu, half a cup of self-raising flour. Kia whitu te kau karamu tiakarete parori kua tapahia, 70 grams of chopped chocolate. Kia hau Whākapu pata aramona, 1/4 cup of almond butter. Kia haurua kapu māngohe iti, half a cup of mini marshmallows. Kia haurua kapu kokonati ngaku ngaku, half a cup of shredded coconut. Kia haurua kapu pokenga pihikete, half a cup of our biscuit dough. Look at all that goodness. Oh yeah. So add your pata and your tiakarete parodi to a pot, and over low heat, āta whakarewaina, gently melt this together. That looks perfect. Leave it to the side for a mo. And now into our bowl we add our hiki, kia rua hiki, 2 eggs, and our huka one, along with our wanira and our tote.
Whakapāhukahukatia, whip this for approximately 3 minutes until you get it lovely and light-ish in colour and slightly fluffy. Now we just gently pour in that cooled tiakarete mixture as we continue to whip. It already looks so good. And now we sift in our kōkō and poe huparawa. Tātaritia, sift it. Pokia katoatia ngā mea whakauru. Mix all of the ingredients together. And then watch the fudgy goodness appear before your eyes. Ringihi atu ki runga I te poke ngā pihikete. Pour it onto our biscuit dough. Look at all those luscious ribbons. Looking good. And now we sprinkle over our tiakarete parauri. Get all those little bits in there. Glob on our pata aramona. Ruia te kokonati ngaku ngaku. Sprinkle over our coconut and poke ngā pihikete. And for our beautiful crunchy topping, we sprinkle over māngohe iti, mini marshmallows. And you can double the amount that I've got if you want, just go for it. Now it's time to bake it. 170 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes.
Hitiro mai e Whānau, straight from the oven. This slice, this keke papatahi momorua, this hybrid slice is just full of flavour and texture. And to the Ranginui, Charlton, Whānau and Kirikiriroa, I know this last few years have been really tough on you guys, but on behalf of Laura and the rest of the Whānau Kai team, we wish you all the best. Mā te atua koutou e manaki. Kia koutou katoa ki te hunga mā takitaki. To all of the viewers, I hope you are having a wonderful summer holiday. Mā te wā.
Mai tōku kauta ki tō kauta, ki ki ana ki te aroha. Poke, mix. Pokea, mix it. Pokea katoatia ngā mea whakauru. Mix all of the ingredients together. Keke papatahi. Slice, momorua, hybrid. He keke papatahi momorua, a hybrid slice.